I'm Lakshmi Range, student of class 9th. The name of my school is SHRI Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1 AFS Pune. KVS provides a platform for pre-vocational education under which various activities are undertaken to prepare students for their vocational or career-oriented training. Our school organized a pottery making workshop under the Hands-on Skill program in December 2023 utilizing the funds from the PMSHRI. Pottery artist Sakaldeep Prajapati conducted the workshop for 1 to 8 classes. Over the span of 6 days, students crafted various pottery items including diyas and pots. The workshop not only allowed students to create these items but also provided them with the chance to paint intricate designs on their creations, enhancing their artistic skills. Another workshop on tie and dye was conducted in January, led by Mrs. Sunita Chanagadkar. This 3-day workshop was tailored for students from class 6 to 9, offering them the chance to explore and apply different tie and dye techniques on cotton napkins, resulting in the creation of diverse and colorful designs on cotton napkins with acrylic paints. The workshop was designed to promote creativity and practical skills among students, preparing them for potential careers in tie and dye, fashion designing, textile designing, and many more. Further enhancing our school offerings, a robotics lab, which was inaugurated in 2023, providing students with valuable insights into AI and robotics. A dedicated workshop on robotics was organized where students gained knowledge about the fundamentals of robotics and learned how to build a robot. Notably, one of our students, Kushal, showcased a robot created by his team at the prestigious Pariksha Pe Charcha exhibition 2024 held in Delhi. Throughout these workshops, students exhibited great enthusiasm and engagement, actively participating in the hand-on learning experiences provided by the school. These initiatives not only enriched the students' skill set but also contributed to their overall development in various creative and technological domains. Thank you.